Hello students, welcome to my channel Jasbir Tutorials. I am going to today explain to you what are polynomials, as many of you I found are confused about how polynomials are different from algebraic expressions, right? So let's clear that first. Polynomials. Polynomials are also a type of algebraic expressions. First of all, that must be very clear to you, right? Polynomials are also algebraic expressions. Now, what are algebraic expressions? You know that algebraic expressions are the expressions which consist of constants 1, 2, 3, 4, constants and variables a, b, c, d, e, f, g, or x, y, z, any numeral which can be any value. That is why they are called variables, right? Now, what are polynomials? Polynomials are only those algebraic expressions I would repeat, algebraic expressions whose power of x is a whole number. Whose power of x, I repeat, whose power of x is a whole number. It is not an integer, it is not into a fractional number, but it is a whole number. That you have, this is the most important part of polynomial. Any expression, any algebraic expression where the power of x is not a whole number, it will not be considered as a polynomial. Is it clear? Now I am going to give you some examples to make this clear to you. Few examples I am going to take up here to clarify the concept, right? X square plus x cube plus 2x minus 3, right? This is the algebraic expression. You can see the variable here is x, right? Now, what is the power of x here? 2. In the first term, second term, power is 3. Third term, power is 1. If we don't write anything, it means it's 1. Now here you can see this is a constant without any variable. Now here what do we assume? It has got x raised to the power 0, and you all are well aware that x raised to the power 0 will be equal to 1, right? So that doesn't make any harm. It isn't any harm if we write 3, if it's written minus 3 and we put it into multiplied by x raised to the power 0, which is minus 3 into 1 equals to minus 3. So in mathematics, if you do anything which brings you back to the original question and it doesn't change the question, it is acceptable. First of all, that it should be very clear to you, right? Now, if we write minus 3, what we added? X raised to the power 0. Now you see x raised to the power 0, 1. Now here x raised to the power 1. Then we have got x raised to the power 3 and x raised to the power 2. So this is a polynomial. Because the power of x is a whole number. Now let's take another example. Under root x plus 5x squared. So this can be written as x 1 upon 2, right? Now, if you notice, the power of x here is 1 upon 2, which is not a whole number. Therefore, this term, this expression will not be considered as a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. write it little more cleaner for you. It's not, I'm capitalizing it, it's not a polynomial. Is it clear to you? Now let's take another example. I hope with this video you will be able to understand completely what are polynomials, right? How polynomials are different from algebraic expressions. Now you got x raised to the power 4 plus under root 5 x raised to the power 2 minus 6x plus 3. This is my next example for you. Now you can see x is raised to the power 4, which is a whole number. Then under root 5 will be meaning x4 plus 5 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Is it? And then x raised to the power 2 minus 6x plus 3. Again 6 is raised to the power 1 and this is again x raised to the power 0. Here you see this is a constant which is raised to the power 1 upon 2. So don't get confused. If the constant is not a whole number, but that will be considered as a polynomial still if the power of the x is a whole number. So under root 5 x square. Under root 5 is 1 upon 2. But x is a whole number. Power of x is a whole number. So we are going to consider only the variable x if it has got a whole number. The power is a whole number. X raised to the power 4 is a whole number. X raised to the power 2 is a whole number. X raised to the power 1 is a whole number. And then x raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is a polynomial. Am I clear to you? This expression, algebraic expression, is a polynomial. You noticed in this example I gave you the constant which was not a whole number, but you don't have to look at the constant, you have to look at the variable x. As long as the power of x is a whole number, that will be a polynomial. Let me take one more example for you. I'm taking 3x plus 1 upon 3x. Now, can you see? Now we can rewrite it as 3x plus 1 upon 3 x raised to the power minus 1. Now, can you see the power of 1 here is a whole number, but here it is not a whole number, it is an integer. So, it is not a polynomial. Am I clear to you? It is not a polynomial. The condition, you have to be very, very careful that the variable's power is a whole number. Next, let's take one more example, and that will be the last one for you. 4x plus 9. Right? Now, this is 4x plus 9 raised to the power 1 upon 2. This can be written as 4x plus 9 raised to the power 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. Therefore, you people know it by now, it is not, this expression is not a polynomial. I hope I have been able to explain to you very well. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, just please subscribe to it and like it also. Thank you, and look forward to giving you many more